On my previous tutorial, I would have to sign out the emails I signed in to this mobile phone for the tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out emails swiftly from your mobile phone. So let's get going with the tutorial. So I think the traditional way is to go to your, Chrome here, and then you tap here and then you sign all the accounts out. I think it's complicated. You'd have to log in once again. If you've forgotten your password, you can't get access to the account. You're going to suffer to get it back. So here, let me show you guys a swift way to do this on your Android. If you are using a PC or an iPhone, I think you go with the traditional way. But if you are using an Android, you just search for accounts here, something like this. You are going to get access to all the accounts on your mobile phone. Yeah. Good. So here is it. So tap on it and you remove it from your mobile phone. So that's it on how you can remove email accounts from your mobile phone swiftly. Very, very easy and fast. So that's it for the video. So if you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, I would say thank you for visiting my channel once again. So that's it for this video. Peace.